How do keyframes control effects in Premiere Pro? Imagine being able to make your video effects change smoothly over time, just like magic. That's what keyframes do in Adobe Premiere Pro. They are tiny markers that tell the software where and how you want an effect to change. When you set a keyframe, you are marking a specific point in time with a certain effect value. For example, you might set a keyframe at the start of a clip with full opacity. Then, a few seconds later, you set another keyframe with opacity at 0. Premiere Pro then automatically creates a smooth fade between these two points. To use keyframes, you first select your clip in the timeline. Then, open the Effect Controls panel. Find the effect you want to animate, like position, scale, or opacity. Click the stopwatch icon next to that effect to turn on keyframing. This creates your first keyframe at the current playhead position with the current effect value. Now, move the playhead to a new position in the timeline. Change the effect property, like dragging the position or adjusting the opacity. When you do this, Premiere Pro automatically adds a new keyframe at that point. The software then calculates the change between these keyframes, making the effect transition smoothly over time. For example, if you want a clip to zoom in gradually, you set a keyframe at the start with scale at 100%. Then, move the playhead a few seconds forward and increase the scale to 150%. Premiere Pro will animate the zoom so it looks natural. You can also animate motion by changing the position, or make audio levels rise and fall by adjusting volume keyframes. You can add multiple keyframes to create complex animations. You can see all your keyframes on the timeline or in the Effect Controls panel. Moving and adjusting these keyframes gives you precise control over how effects change. You can drag keyframes to fine-tune timing or change their values to get the perfect look. In essence, keyframes are like control points that tell Premiere Pro how to change effects over time. They are a powerful tool for making your videos more dynamic and professional. Mastering keyframes allows you to craft smooth transitions, animated effects, and engaging visual stories. Whether you want a simple fade or a complex motion sequence, understanding how keyframes work is essential for creating polished videos in Adobe Premiere Pro.